Hello everyone, today I will show you a quick demonstration on how you can use Dall E 2 for creating realistic images and art from a description that you provide. And also stay till the end of the video so that you can learn all what Dall E can do and you won't miss any of the steps that is given. Now to start using Dall E 2, you'll have to log in or sign up here, and let me just do that real quick. And right here, after you sign up, this is what the home page is, and here is your search bar where you can generate the things that you want to create. For example, if you type something like a robot that has human-like face, or you can even upload an image to edit here on Dall E 2. And up here on the top left, you have history and your collections. But for now, as I haven't done anything, there's nothing to show yet. And I will head back to the home and search something that's like giant humans that is 30 feet tall, living in the modern world on a countryside. Right, let's try a digital art version of it first, and then we can maybe try a realistic one and click generate right here. Dall E 2 is loading your description to give you the art that you want, and if you just wait a few minutes or a few seconds, you'll be provided with the art that you wish to have. And here are the results that you are given, and let me choose this right here, and you can see that there are edit, variations, share, and save. And what you can do with edit is if you click on it, you'll be given this eraser thing. Let me just use it real quick. Let me just rub off the countryside, and I'll type in modern world in New York City and click enter, and it will generate your description, your new description, after the edit right away. And after a few seconds, you see that you are given different variants. Let me click this right here as it matches more of my description, and if you click on variation, it will provide you the variants of this image that you can have. And there you go, the different variations that it provided. Let me pick this one, and if you want this as your final result, you can click download here and save right here and create your collections. Now the cool thing about Dall E 2 is that no matter what you say, no matter what you ask it to create, it will keep on creating it for you. If I type add dragons in the sky or something like that, the limitations are basically your limit of thinking and you asking what you want it to do. So just remember that you can basically ask anything to do it for you, and it will try and try again until you get what you want that you've been picturing in your mind. There you go, dragons are added in the background here. That is similar to the art that you have. The cool thing is you can ask different types, such as a 3D rendered art or some creative things that you can think of, and it's just basically whatever you want it to do. And I hope this video and tutorial has been helpful, and if indeed, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.